Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to find saved post on your LinkedIn profile. So it is actually really simple. First, save a post. So let's say this one. Click on these three dots and then save. As you can see, post has been saved. And then go all the way up here. If you don't see this section, then click on just LinkedIn logo or click on this home button and you should see saved items. So click on that. Now, here you have all of your saved items, which includes saved posts and articles. So you can come back to your saved post simply just by clicking on it. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.